Washing dishes and taking out the trash, two of the most common household chores, can be easier and more efficient with the help of a garbage disposal. And today, we're going to show you how to install one. You're going to need some tools to get this job done. You should have a large adjustable wrench, a hammer, a screwdriver, a fine-tooth saw, a bucket or bowl to catch any water, and for our particular install, we had to buy a new PVC pipe set, which you can find at your local Lowe's. The disposal we're installing today is the Legend Series 2600 disposal from Waste King. We chose this particular model for its performance and affordable price. The first step is to turn off your water supply to the sink to make sure you don't cause any major leaks. Now disconnect the pipes from the sink, using the wrench for the pipes and the bucket to catch any water. With the pipes disconnected, simply take out the old sink flange. You should be able to pop this out easily. Now we're going to install the new sink flange. This particular garbage disposal works the easiest with stainless steel sinks, which is what we have here today. This rubber gasket acts as a perfect seal for the disposal, and therefore does not require the use of plumber's putty. However, if you don't have a stainless steel sink, you should use plumber's putty to install the new sink flange. When installing the new sink flange, make sure to put the flange together in the following order. First, the rubber gasket, which goes above the sink. Then the paper gasket, the bracket, the mounting hardware, and then the rubber cushion. A note on the wiring. Some garbage disposals come ready to be plugged in, like the one we're installing today. However, sometimes they need to be wired in. Consult your manufacturer's instructions to ensure proper wiring. If you're installing your disposal with a dishwasher line, now is the time to knock out the dishwasher plug. To do this, you're going to use the hammer and screwdriver to simply knock it out of place. Now it's time to install the garbage disposal. With the sink flange in place, simply connect the disposal to the sink flange. Our Waste King uses an easy mount system that allows us to quickly slide it in and lock it into the flange. Next, you'll need to reconnect the pipes to the disposal. Due to our particular setup, we had to purchase a new set of PVC pipes. You may also have to saw some of the pipes down to fit your particular sink setup. Now connect the dishwasher line to the designated hole in the disposal. With everything in place, place the bucket or bowl back underneath the pipes and turn the water on to check for leaks. If there are no leaks, plug in the disposal and test it out. And that's how you install a garbage disposal. We hope we were of some help today, and we welcome you to join us next time. To find more helpful videos, visit our website, or to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the links below.